By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into what it takes to start making money. However, let's set some realistic expectations. Making money isn't easy, and it requires time and effort on your part, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your financial goals. Firstly, you'll need to change the way you think about money. Believe that you can do it too, and that you deserve financial success. It's important to have a positive and confident attitude towards your ability to make money. Secondly, with the advent of AI, it's easier than ever to monetize your skills. There are numerous AI tools and platforms available that can help you turn your talents into a source of income. This is the new gold rush, and it presents a great opportunity for you to make money. In this video, I'll be giving you the 5 side hustles that use AI. You can convert audio files into text for clients who need transcripts for interviews, podcasts, meetings. You can use sites like TRANSCRIBING, Rev, and Fiverr to find transcript jobs and get paid per audio minute. Right here, you will see that ChatGPT will translate any language, and that is such a huge and in-demand service. Now for transcribing, we will use Adobe Premiere, which you can get on their website. The subscription is $29 a month. You import your video. It will automatically transcribe and create captions. On Upwork and Fiverr, there are always people looking for this service. You can create and sell ebooks, low content books, or kids coloring books, to name a few. You can use platforms like Etsy or Amazon to sell your products. No stocking, making, or shipping product. I use ChatGPT to help me create content for a kids coloring book, and then I use Midjourney to create the art. All of this was done in minutes. Right here, I'm using ChatGPT to create an ebook about fitness and working out, and these are very popular on sites like Amazon KDP. If you're finding value, give me a like and subscribe, or not, I don't care. You can create and sell digital art and print on demand. With print on demand, you can use websites like Printify and offer everything from shirts to mugs. They handle the print and shipping, and you make the profit. We will use Midjourney through Discord to create our artwork. We can put that on a range of products from hats to t-shirts, and then we list those and sell them on Etsy. If we take a look at this seller with this simple design, they have made 158 sales at $23, and this is just on one product. I'm telling you, you guys can do this with several products and make a living. You can help job seekers improve their chance of landing interviews by writing professional resumes and cover letters for them. You can use sites like Fiverr, Guru, and Upwork to find resume writing jobs and get paid per project. I asked ChatGPT to write me a cover letter for an electrician, and here it is, spit one out within seconds. I asked ChatGPT to write me a resume for this job and ask me whatever important information it needs from me. You guys, this is very in demand. You can go right here on Upwork and see that there's someone looking for this service and willing to pay $150. You can use ChatGPT to find cool or lesser known facts about any subject, write a script, and use Fiverr for video creation if you don't know how to create videos yourself. I asked ChatGPT to create me a list of lesser known facts about 9/11. I then, based on the one I liked, asked it to create me a script. This is great if you already know how to create videos, or if you have a little bit of money to invest, you can go to Fiverr and find someone willing to create this video for $50, and that includes the script. Here is a channel that creates motivational videos and compilations, and if you see here on Social Blade, they make up to $50,000 within a year. If you would like an in-depth tutorial on any of these, let me know in the comments. I encourage you to take action now and make the money you deserve.